welcome to DIYYolande. From the title, in today's video we are doing what you guys have requested, and that is a hardware store tour. So I have collaborated with BUCO to give you today's video. I will be taking you inside the hardware store. I'll be sharing key tips and tricks to help you navigate through a hardware store so that you don't feel anxious and overwhelmed. So let's go inside. Number one, when coming into a hardware store, always note the fact that they actually group items as per their respective departments. So if you're looking to do plumbing, if you are looking to do, if you're looking for power tools, all those things will be grouped in their various sections and departments. For example, this side is the paintbrush section. So if you are looking for any paintbrush, you're most likely to find it in this section of the store. If you are very anxious about being in your local hardware store, what I'd advise you to do is actually take an actual tour around your hardware. This will enable you to feel comfortable in it and also familiarize yourself with it. So go through every section, from the garden section to the power tool section to even the bathroom section, and just familiarize yourself with the entire space, and I guarantee you will feel much more comfortable within it. We are now in the nail section. I do not want to lie. This section gives me serious intimidation because the nails are so vast, they're so different. They come in different shapes, sizes, they are for different purposes. So I would definitely recommend that whenever you are entering into a section that you are not familiar with, definitely ask for assistance from the very helpful staff. Yeah.
Lightweight as well.
Yeah.
With adjustment is easier. Once you're holding your left hand to press on the power, you can work it without it.
That's awesome. And here's a bonus tip. At your local hardware, I guarantee you that there will be signage around the entire hardware. So use that to also guide you as you navigate through the store. So if you're going to a hardware store and you probably don't have a circular saw or any wood cutting power tool, what you will definitely do is contact your local hardware and find out if they do cut wood on site. What hardware stores normally do is that if you purchase the wood at their store, they definitely cut it for you for free. Some do have a service charge. Some do also allow you to bring your own wood that you have at home to come and cut it here. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take you to BUCO's wood cutting section. This is my favorite section here. I really love it because the staff here is so precise, and if you give them a detailed list of your cut list, they will guarantee you to have all your pieces, including your off cut. That we are done our BUCO hardware store tour. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope that it has encouraged you to actually visit your local hardware. My local hardware is BUCO, and you guys know this because I'm always here. I'm always telling you that this is where I get my supplies. Thank you so much to BUCO Pinetown for enabling us to collaborate and give you this video. I hope you guys did enjoy it, and don't forget, power tools have no gender. And from DIYYolande and from BUCO Pinetown,